guys, Jim Parisi, Marshall Ford. I had a gentleman, I made a video, I've got a lot of views on it, on how to sync your car to your phone and how you have to delete an old phone when you buy a used vehicle, or sometimes it can be problematic in putting a new one in place and pairing that up. So a lot of times I get questions about Bluetooth, how to do a master reset. So this gentleman has a 16 Fusion, we happen to have one on the lot. So first thing you're going to do is basically make sure you have your radio on. Okay, so you're going to hit your volume right here. It's going to turn your radio on. Then you're going to go up here to your phone menu, right here. You're going to hit the phone, and it's going to say no phone paired. Now down here are your arrows. You're going to down space, and it's going to say connect. It's going to say set primary phone, set it on or off. If you have a vehicle and you've got a phone in there, you would hit the delete device to clear it. But if you scroll through there, it hits return. You want to press OK, which is this middle button right here. Once you're there, you're going to get kind of like a sub menu, and it's going to tell you Bluetooth devices that are currently on the vehicle, and then you're going to have advanced. And then when you hit the OK on the advanced, again a sub menu pops up. You have prompts, languages, factory defaults, master reset. So then you hit this OK and you say confirm you want to reset it, and it resets it. So that's one. Now you've got your master reset done. Let's see what happens, and then you hit the OK on that. So what you can do,
language set to English.
Thanks, Hank, appreciate it. So I'm going to go and basically go back to the phone menu. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to scroll down until we get to that return. We're going to hit that, and then we're going to scroll down again. Whoops. We're going to go advanced, and then it's going to be prompts, languages, factory defaults, master reset, sync reboot. So if you're having problems with your sync is like a computer. It's basically like rebooting your computer. So go ahead and put OK, and then confirm reboot. These are some tips I would do to basically, if you are having some issues with your sync, instead of taking it to the service department and having them spend a bunch of bucks, this is one thing that I would try. There's going to be several others, but hope this is helpful to the guy who was trying to find out how to do it. And he had one other thing that he wanted to ask me about, and that was the Bluetooth audio. And basically on that, you go to your media button here, and it's going to give you the option of going to Bluetooth. And these two buttons here are how you're going to access it. So let me try it for you real quick. See this where it says BT and USB? So you hit that, and then of course you're going to have the line in on this model. It's right there on the USB, and then that's your Bluetooth right there. So hope this helps, and good car shopping for everybody. If you need something, I obviously sell cars. I'd love to earn your business. You take care.